all day, every day, we was on that block until we made a way, day to day, man, that's the only way, they gon' know my name until it fade away, fade away, they gon' know my name until it fade away.
Good morning, guys. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we're on the dozer and we're getting ready to go build the rhythm section part of the track. Right now we've got a big tabletop. What do you think that is, 60 foot? We got a big tabletop, a big step up. We got an off-camber double, redid the berm. We did all that and it was it took just under a quarter tank. So we're gonna run this thing back, all the way back to the back and tear down what we have built that I built like 3 years ago. It's still standing, you can still ride it, and they didn't even touch it, so that's pretty good. So we're gonna go cut all that down and rebuild everything bigger, put a big triple in, and see what we can do, have fun with this thing. All right, guys, I just got done building the first triple. Well, it's the last triple, it's at the end of the rhythm section. Pat wanted it to be exactly 75 feet. It's exactly 75 from lip to lip. You're gonna be going about 77 to 80 from lip to landing. This is the face. It don't look big because, you know, everything looks small on camera, but I'll show you some shots of it. Hold on.
It's so beefy! Nom nom!
Beebe's excited, he wants to hit it. Don't be. I kind of put a safety on this landing. Roll over it. Just to show you like the comparison of how tall it is. The jump and the landing are about 5.5, maybe 6 foot tall. Alright, I just did it. Let's see if Taser can do it.
I know,
Beefy!
what would you do if I just started gouging Beefy's eyeballs out? Dude, this looks sick. I thought that ski jump. I didn't know there was a triple part. It like sent me forward and I was like, oh shit.
I didn't realize how steep this was and I went, whoa.
No, it's steep going down the double triple.
Bro.
Alright guys, we're done building the track. We just rode all day long, just put the dozer away, and yeah, we didn't get a lot of footage of us riding it, but got a little bit. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna leave it here for you guys, and it looks like tomorrow we're heading back up to, or back down, excuse me, to Indiana. So
Hopefully come back up.
yeah, hopefully we can come back up here soon.
Monday.
But if I don't put a vlog up in the next couple of days, look for one from Nakota this weekend. So have a good night.